Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another session. In this session, I will show you how to install and configure Zimbra mail server, the Zimbra collaboration community edition on CentOS 8. In my previous session, I have shown Zimbra mail server install and configure, that is in two servers, one for the DNS server and another one for the Zimbra mail server. This session will learn how to install and configure the Zimbra mail server in a single server. Before going to the installation, we have prerequisites that need to complete. First, we need to configure our local DNS server, and then we'll create the Amex record pointing to server IP from domain DNS setting, and then we'll check our DNS settings are okay and reachable from the internet. Mail server should find from the internet so that other mail server communicate with our mail server. Secondly, we'll check our mail server Amex record, then we'll start the mail server installation process. This is my mail server topology. Here you can see the standalone server, that is Zimbra mail server, connected to the internet with a private IP behind a firewall. Here 192.168.1.110, it is actually a private and that is behind a firewall. And I'm using private name server locally within the same server. Here is the public IP, port forward to local IP, and then Amex records from the domain DNS setting pointed to firewall public IP. Mail first will come to public interface, which is firewall, then mail will be redirected to local mail server after check the spam and virus sources. The design I have made for security purpose, I could make my mail server directly to the public IP, which is not safe. So let's get started. I'm using Windows 10 as my main operating system. For demonstration, I installed a CentOS 8 virtual machine in my PC on Oracle VirtualBox, and my VirtualBox network adapter is Breeze. That is because of get this VM connected with my existing network. So let's start with DNS server configuration. Make sure interfaces are up and that have internet connection. So open terminal. I will log in with root su-l. I'm giving my password. Just to make sure all packages are updated and no packages are left. Yum update. We can see there is total 637 MB file which need to download for update. To permit download and install update, Y and press enter. We can see it is updating. Download and install YAM update is completed. So we'll be install bind using internet connectivity. I'm going to write command yam install -y bind star. Here I have used -y to permit download and install. It is going to go out and find the packages from the repository. Now bind is installing. Installation complete. Now we'll change the host name. NMTUI, select set host name. We can see host name is showing localhost.local domain. Remove it and name it ns1. Click OK. Now we'll modify the host name bim/etc/host. Press insert to start adding. First we'll add our DNS server IP, which is 192.168.1.110, and the FQDN is ns1.anwar.today. ns1. Let's save and quit from this file. Now we'll edit name.conf, which is vim/etc/name.conf. Here in the option section on listed, you have to give your server local IP. So my static IP 192.168.1.110. After the IP, give a semicolon. In this line, allow query, here we'll give AD. Let's save and quit from this file. Now we are going to create zones. To create zones quickly and easily, we'll take this server remotely using PuTTY. As I have already created a zone file in my computer that I will do copy and paste. Usually centos by default SSH are enabled, so don't need to do any additional configuration for remote login. For your easy installation, I have given complete installation process step-by-step guide in the video description, where you will get the zone files, change it according to your domain and your local IP. Let's open PuTTY. My server IP is 192.168.1.110. So my username root, and I'm giving my password. Let's write vim/etc/name.rfc1912.zones. Copy this text and paste it to end of this file and edit as per your domain name. So here is my domain anwar.today and file anwar.fz, and that is for forward zone. And one more zone for reverse zone. Here give your IP, like my IP is 192.168.1.110. So here I'm giving the IP like 1.168.192. Just leave the last post. Let's save and quit from this file. Now I will open the master zone, which is vim/var/name/anwar.fz. Press insert to start adding. Here we will add new record to the zone for our domain. So I have already prepared zone record file. You just modify according to your domain and copy and paste it here. As you can see that I have specified the Amex and a record and the domain name and IP address, that is my local server IP address. Before save the file, make sure that you match with my syntax, otherwise your mail server will not work. Let's save and quit from this file. Now we'll open vim/var/name/anwar.rz. Press insert to start adding. Copy and paste it here. Following records within the defined directive section to resolve mail host to resolve and IP address. So let's write and quit from this file. So we have created our master zone. Now we'll restart the named service. Service named restart. Systemctl restart name dot service. Systemctl enable name dot service. As my domain purchased from GoDaddy, so I will add DNS record in GoDaddy DNS server. So let's log into GoDaddy. Here we can see that my domain name is anwar.today. Let's go to the DNS setting. First, we have to create our A record and then MX record. Let's create the A record. Click Add, type A, host mail points to 117.103.87.69 and the TTL is half an hour. Click Save, click Add, type A, host nswar.anwar.today pointed to my public IP and the TTL is 30 minutes. Click Save. Now we'll add Amex record. Type Amex. Host is at the rate. At the rate means domain name. Points to our server host name mail.anwar.today. Priority 10 and the TTL 30 minutes. So we have added a record and Amex record for our domain. Amex record is mean the mail server record. Mail.anwar.today, which IP address is this. Let's check the DNS settings from the Amex toolbox. Now it is giving the host name and IP address of the preferred mail server for this domain, anwar.today. Now we have tested our DNS settings are okay and the public IP is resolvable from the internet. So it is reachable or not, we will do test to our public IP. Let's browse to lg.level3.net. Let's enter the public IP here and submit. So it will check the server is up or not. We can see it showing packet sent and received successfully. So it means our server is live and we are ready to configure our mail server. Let's go back to CentOS server where we will assign our DNS server IP. Click here, wire setting, IPv4, name server, primary is my local DNS server IP, that is 192.168.1.110, and secondary DNS server is the global DNS server, that is 8.8.8.8. Let's apply this off network adapter and turn it on again. Our DNS server configuration is complete. Let's check. NS lookup, my domain anwar.today. As you can see server IP, if I give IP, we can see the DNS server IP. So the connection is fine with DNS and mail server. So now let's start Zimbra mail server install and configure. Change the directory cd/opt. Open browser and browse to Zimbra. Click downloads. In order to download JCS, we need to sign up. So here I'm giving my information and click download open source edition. Are you interested in purchasing open source edition support? Click no. Take me to OSC download page. Here we can see the platform and the version 8.8.15. As my operating system is CentOS 8, so I will select CentOS 8. Right click here and click copy link location. Let's write wget and paste link here. We can see the download link for Zimbra. Press enter, then it will automatically download the file to our local server OPT directory. We can see download process has started and it will take some time. It depends on your internet bandwidth speed. We can see download completed. If I write command ls, as we can see tar file which has downloaded. Now we'll enter this file tar xzvf and write zcs and press tab. Press enter. We can see the directory name is too big. Now we'll rename it to Zimbra. mb zcs and press tab and put the name Zimbra. Now we'll change the directory to Zimbra. cd opt/Zimbra. Let's write ls. Make sure that you see here install.sh and it should be green. So it is executable. Just use dot after that slash install.sh and press enter. Once you press enter, you will see lot of things automated by Zimbra itself. We'll go through all of these things. Right now we can see, do you agree with the terms of the software license agreement? Yes and enter. Use Zimbra package repository. Yes, enter. We can see it checking for installable packages. Would you like to delete /opt Zimbra before installing? No. Enter. Install Zimbra LDAP. Yes. Install Zimbra Logger. Yes. MTA. Yes. DNS cache. Yes. SNMP. Yes. Store. Yes. Apache. Yes. Spell. Yes. Memcache. Yes. Proxy. Yes. Drive. Yes. Install Zimbra IMAP beta for evaluation only. No. The system will be modified. Continue. Yes and enter. We can see downloading packages. There are total 11 packages. Right now we can see DNS error. It is suggested that the domain name have an Amex record configured in DNS. Change domain name. Yes, enter. And here I will give my domain, that is anwar.today, and press enter. Now all we have to do, enter to continue. We can see admin user, and right now for admin there is no password set. So we'll set password for admin. So the admin password option under section 7 and enter. We can see store configuration. From here we can see admin password is section number 4. So let's input 4 and enter. Now you need to give your administrator password for Zimbra. So here I'm giving password Zimbra 2020. Press enter. We can see now password is set. Let's input R and enter. To go back to previous menu, let's write A to apply the changes. We can see the system will be modified. Yes to continue. We can see installation and configuration complete. Now we'll disable AC Linux nano slash etc slash AC Linux slash config. We can see AC Linux is showing present status enforcing. Change it to disabled. Control X, Y, enter. Now we'll disable postfix and send mail. Now we'll restart the Zimbra service. Service, Zimbra, service, Zimbra, restart. Let's do reboot of the server. Reboot, enter. Now we'll go to client PC and we'll change the IP and DNS server. Let's open browser and browse mail.anwar.today. We can see it is giving error. This error because of firewall, so will be disable firewall from server. System ctl stop firewall dot service. System ctl disable firewall dot service. Let's go back to client PC and browse to https mail.anwar.today. We can see Zimbra portal login page. The username is admin at anwar.today and the password Zimbra2020. Click sign in. We can see incoming mails are from the Zimbra admin center. This is because of as we have restarted Zimbra mail service. That's why we are getting notification from the admin center. Now I will send test mail from this mail server to my Outlook mail. New message and to my Outlook mail subject. This is a test mail from Zimbra. And the body also same. This is a test mail from Zimbra. Click send. If I check my Outlook inbox, we can see the mail which I have sent from my Zimbra mail server. If I reply to this mail, we can see the mail which is from Outlook. If we go to admin console, click here and click admin console, so it will redirect to our admin console page. We can see admin console login portal. Here I'm giving username and password. We can see our server. That's how you can configure Zimbra mail server in a single server. In coming video, there will be lot more things to explore Zimbra, how can go deeper and more about admin console. For your installation reference, I have given complete documentation with CLI, which will help you during your installation and configuration. After that, if you face any problem with your installation, don't hesitate to write me mail or leave a comment in the video. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.